Are you overlooking the next wave of AI millionaires? While mega-cap tech hogs the headlines, a silent revolution is brewing in the penny stock arena. Today, I'm revealing 7 under-the-radar AI penny stocks that analysts are quietly eyeing for serious upside. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap to identifying serious growth potential. Veritone Inc., ticker VERI, is an enterprise artificial intelligence company providing its AI-aware operating system and data refinery platform to process and analyze unstructured data for AI-ready assets. The company is actively supporting the emerging AI agent economy, enabling governance and creating valuable AI-ready content. Veritone's data refinery processed an astounding 22.2 trillion tokens in the second half of 2025, a 3.5 times increase, signaling strong adoption and demand for licensed ethical data sources. A market projected to surge from $7.48 billion to over $52 billion within a decade. While still unprofitable with a projected EPS of minus 0.33 for fiscal 2025, management has aggressively addressed its debt, paying down $77.5 million and freeing up $13 million in annualized costs. Analysts forecast 18% revenue growth for 2025 and a path to operating profitability by late 2026. Significant partnerships with ESPN, NCAA, and CBS Media Ventures underscore its market traction, with 11 hedge funds holding positions and a 28.81% upside potential. Veritone is a high-growth, high-conviction bet on the future of AI data infrastructure. Inuvo Inc., ticker INUV, is a pioneering AI-based advertising technology company, strategically positioned in the privacy-first digital marketing landscape. Its flagship IntentKey product uses large language generative AI to identify consumer intent without relying on personal data or cookies, consistently outperforming traditional media by an average of 67%. This privacy-compliant technology gives Inuvo a significant competitive edge as the industry shifts away from cookie-based tracking. Despite these technological advantages, Inuvo has faced revenue challenges, with Q4 2025 preliminary figures significantly missing analyst expectations. However, the net loss improved, and leadership is now under new chairman and CEO, Rob Buckner. Analyst sentiment remains largely positive, with Freedom Capital Markets initiating coverage with a buy rating and a $6 price target, viewing Inuvo as an undervalued pure play in AI. H.C. Wainwright maintains a buy rating, adjusting its target to $10. With 2 hedge fund holders and a 29.03% upside potential, Inuvo offers a compelling, albeit volatile, opportunity in the evolving adtech space. Bit Digital Inc., ticker BTBT, is undergoing a profound strategic transformation, pivoting from traditional Bitcoin mining to becoming a strategic asset company focused on Ethereum infrastructure and AI computing through its majority stake in Whitefiber. This bold move positions Bit Digital at the intersection of 2 of the hottest technological megatrends. The company boasts a robust balance sheet, holding over 150,000 ETH, the majority of which is staked, generating an annualized yield of approximately 3.05%. With $179 million in cash and $424 million in digital assets, plus $579.5 million in Whitefiber shares, its financial foundation is solid. While the stock has seen volatility and bearish technicals, its P/E ratio of 4.79 suggests potential undervaluation, making it attractive to some. H.C. Wainwright maintains a buy rating with a $7 price target, recognizing the company's strong financial footing and strategic vision. With 20 hedge fund holders and a 21.04% upside potential, Bit Digital is a high-conviction, high-reward play on the evolving digital infrastructure landscape. Resolve AI plc, ticker RZLV, is an AI and commerce solutions provider with explosive growth momentum, targeting AI-driven customer engagement in retail. The company concluded 2025 with approximately $209 million in annual recurring revenue and achieved its first profitable month, a clear inflection point. They've aggressively scaled to over 1,000 employees and acquired more than 650 enterprise customers, including industry giants like Adidas and Target. Resolve recently completed an oversubscribed $250 million financing round, and strategically acquired Reward Loyalty UK Limited for $230 million. An all-cash, non-dilutive deal expected to add $90 million in EBITDA accretive revenue and open doors to major banks and retailers. This has led to dramatically raised revenue guidance, $350 million for 2026, nearly doubling market expectations, with a target of $500 million ARR by year-end. Despite its historical unprofitability, high volatility, and a strong sell technical signal, 14 hedge funds hold positions, eyeing the 32.96% upside potential that H.C. Wainwright's $10 to $12 price target suggests. CX App Inc., ticker CXAI, is at the forefront of AI-powered workplace experience technology, serving Fortune 1000 clients with solutions that blend agentic AI with spatial intelligence. The company boasts exceptional gross margins of 87% and a near-perfect 99% subscription revenue mix, underscoring the quality of its recurring business model. CXAI's Sky platform has demonstrated strong product-market fit, generating over 50,000 engaged sessions and 11,000 active users across major campus deployments. Strategic partnerships with TouchSource and Noro are further extending its reach into commercial real estate and immersive telepresence. However, CXApp faces significant financial challenges, consistently reporting net losses, and Q3 2025 revenue of $1.1 million dramatically missed analyst expectations. Despite liquidity concerns, management indicates sufficient cash for the next 2 years, with 6 hedge fund holders recognizing its potential and a 39.00% upside. CXAI is positioned to capitalize on the global return-to-office trend, but profitability remains a critical hurdle for this agile innovator. Blaze Holdings Inc., ticker BZAI, is a pure play in energy-efficient edge AI computing, utilizing its proprietary graph streaming processor architecture for real-time AI inference. This is a company in hyper-growth mode, with Q3 2025 revenue skyrocketing 499% sequentially to $11.9 million, exceeding guidance. Management projects Q4 revenue to nearly double again, and they've secured significant revenue visibility, approximately $160 million from Yoda and Starshine contracts alone over the next 6 quarters. Blaze secured a $30 million investment, boosting its cash position to over $60 million. Strategic partnerships, notably a recent MOU with Nokia for the Asia-Pacific region, are expanding its market footprint. While gross margins temporarily compressed to 15% due to higher hardware costs, and profitability remains elusive in the near term, this company is aggressively building out its practical AI market position. With 1 hedge fund holder and a staggering 49.35% upside potential, Blaze is a high-growth, high-risk play. Fiscal Note Holdings Inc., ticker NOTE, is a technology provider leveraging AI and machine learning to deliver critical legal, regulatory, and policy intelligence. The company recently completed a seamless customer migration to its AI-driven Policy Note platform, demonstrating impressive operational success with minimal churn and a staggering 252% increase in weekly active users. Key AI-powered features, like custom impact summaries, are seeing nearly double the usage. Fiscal Note boasts strong 78.57% gross profit margins and valuable partnerships with industry titans like HP Inc. and McKesson. Despite these operational wins, Fiscal Note faces substantial financial headwinds, trading near its 52-week low with a modest $15 million market cap and a concerning PE ratio of -0.32. The company is actively managing a significant debt burden, though recent refinancing has extended maturities for greater flexibility. While technical analysis issues a strong sell, analysts maintain a medium price target of $8.25, indicating a potential 44.64% upside if its strategic turnaround gains traction, a belief echoed by its 7 hedge fund holders. Now, let's look at the raw numbers that reveal these AI penny stock opportunities. Starting from market capitalization, ranging from CXApp's lean $9.25 million, highlighting its true microcap status, all the way up to Resolve AI's significant $1.07 billion. When we look at revenue, we see a similar divergence. Fiscal Note and Bit Digital are leading the pack with over $100 million in annual revenue, showcasing more established operations, while Resolve AI and CXApp are still in their very early revenue-generating phases, with just over $5 million each. This tells us they're betting on explosive future growth rather than current top line. Now, for profitability, the gross margins are incredibly insightful. Resolve AI and CX App boast phenomenal gross margins of 95.6% and 87.0% respectively, indicative of high-value software or intellectual property, even if their revenues are still small. Inuvo and Fiscal Note aren't far behind, both above 74%. Blaze Holdings, however, sits at a comparatively lower 27.6%, suggesting a more hardware-intensive business model. But here's the kicker: earnings per share. Only Bit Digital is currently posting a positive EPS of 63 cents, a rare feat among penny stocks and a strong signal of operational efficiency. The rest are still in the red, with Fiscal Note and Blaze Holdings showing significant losses, emphasizing the high-growth, high-investment phase they're in. None of these companies are currently paying dividends, which is entirely expected for high-growth penny stocks where capital is reinvested for expansion. Before you go, here's the burning question. Which of these 7 AI penny stocks do you believe has the strongest potential to deliver a 10 times return in the coming years? And why? Drop your insights, predictions in the comments below. And don't miss our video on 6 best strong buy penny stocks to invest in 2026.